Hello friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita teacher. Students, open your maths textbook, page number 43, lesson number 8, measuring time. Okay, to measure the time, which are the units? What are the units of measuring time? Minutes, seconds, hours, years, week, day. These are the units to measure time. So now I am going to tell you the hands of clock and how we can draw the clock. See here, observe carefully how I am drawing the clock and where I am putting the numbers. See here first draw circular shape. Okay, now here 12, opposite of 12, in front of 12 you have to write 6. 6 and 12 must be in straight line. Okay, here 3 and here 9. First you have to write these numbers and then in between write down the numbers. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got? These are the 12 hours. 24 hours means one day, right? Then 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Okay, this you have to learn. It is needed in scholarship exam. See, in clock there are 3 hands, which are longest hand, which is the longest hand, it is called as longest, and thin hand, it is called as second hand. Mostly we don't use it. Okay, now shorter, little short hand, it is called as minute hand. And shortest hand, it is called as hour hand. This is the introduction of the clock. Now we can find the time by using hour hand and minutes hand. We can find the time by using hour hand and minutes hand. Mostly we don't use second hand and it is not given in textbook also. So hour hand and minute hand is given in the textbook. Hour hand and minute hands are given in the textbook. Okay, so we will find the time by using hour hand and minute hand. See students, here telling the time, revision. Here one clock is there and what is the time? How will you answer this question? What is the time? See, this shorter hand, it shows hour hand, and this longest hand, it is minute hand. The hour hand is in between 1 and 2 and minute hand is at 6. It means, see, I will explain this on blackboard. See here how we can tell the time. What is the time? Hour hand, it is hour hand, it is shorter and thick hand. It is hour hand and it is minute hand. In these two numbers there are small 5 lines are there. It shows 5 minutes or 5 seconds. So minute hand came from 12 to 6. Then how many minutes are there? Can you tell? See here 5. From 12 it has come to 6. Okay. So you have to find the minutes. 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these two numbers, 5 lines, that means 5 minutes. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25 plus 5, 30. That means 30 minutes. It is about minutes. Then what about hours? On which number this hour hand? On which number it is? It is just across 1. It is not on 2. It is in between 1 and 2. So which number it has crossed? Just 1. So 30 minutes past 1. Right? In this way you have to tell the time. See here. Once again you have to just count the minutes. You have to count only minutes. And where is hour hand? That number, which number hour hand cross, that number you have to use here as hours. Okay, so see, to count the minutes, from 12 minutes hand comes to 6, then 6, and after 6 multiplied by 5. To find the minutes, you can multiply by 5 to that number, on which number minute hand is there, multiply by 5, then you will get the minutes. 6 5 are 30. Why we have to multiply by 5? Because in between these two lines, 5 lines, sorry, in between of these two numbers 5 lines are there, so we have to multiply by 5. Okay, now I will ask you different question, different clock I will show you, and you have to tell the time. See students, it is second example, we will solve it. Which is the minute hand here? This red color, which is the longer hand, it is minute hand. It is on 7. So 7 multiplied. See students, second example. A red hand shows minute hand and a green hand is of hour hand. 7 multiplied by 5. 7 minute hand is on 7, and in these two numbers there are 5 lines. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. You have to say 5 stable. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. You have to learn these two words. Minutes past. Minutes word is first, so we have to write minutes first. How many minutes? 35 minutes past. Now hour hand on which number? Which number hour hand has crossed? Hour hand crossed number 2. So past 2 we have to write. What is past 2? It is not on 3. It is just going to meet 3 after 25 minutes. So it is near to 3. But it is crossed 2. So we have to write past 2. Okay. Now see here. Red hand shows minutes. Then how many minutes? It is on 3. 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 minutes. Instead of minutes, I am going to write MIN here. I don't have place, so past. Which number our hand has crossed? 10. Past 10. Right? So in this way you have to solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples in your notebook. See students, read the question. Read the time given in the boxes below and draw the position of the clock hands. You have to draw the position of minute hand and hour hand. What is here? 10 minutes past 5. Longer hand which shows minutes. 10 means on which 5 2s are 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Don't draw minute hand on 10 number. 10 minutes means this 5 plus 5, 10. That means minute hand, which is the longer hand, it is on 2. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are, we say 10. Okay. So this 2s are means position of minute hand. It shows the position of minute hand. Past 5. Past 5 means our hand, it shows it is on 5. Got. Now see, 15 minutes past 12. Longer hand, which is the minute hand, it is on, it shows 15 minutes. That means on which number it will be? 5 3s are 15. 3s are 15. So the position of minute hand is on 3. And where is the hour hand? Past 12. It is on 12. See, in this way students, you have to complete these two examples in your notebook. See students, last year we have learnt about fraction. If one figure or one whole is divided into 4 equal parts, one part it is called as a quarter. Okay. One figure or one whole is divided into 2 equal parts. So out of these 2 parts, one part it is called as a half. And Out of 4 equal parts, if 3 parts are selected, it is called as 3 quarters. This basic knowledge we are going to use in the clock. Okay. So a quarter, past, half past, and a quarter to. See students, here our hand is just across 1. It is just across 1. And minute hand, it is on 3. So which shape it shows? According to fraction, which shape it shows? See, these are the 4 parts, and from 12 we are counting always. And minute hand, just see the position of minute hand. Minute hand is here on 3. Here 12 and here 3. So which part it is? A quarter. According to fraction, this figure shows the part of quarter. So we are going to use quarter word here. Then how to write? Tell me in minutes. 15 minutes, 3 5s are 15. So 15 minutes past 1. So instead of 15 minutes, we can use quarter word. Okay. Then how to write? Quarter past 1. Quarter means 15 minutes. So quarter means 15 minutes. So you have to learn it. If minute hand is on 3, so then you have to use the word quarter past. To find the word, we have to see the position of minute hand. Minute hand is on 6. That means from 12 it came to 6. What is the word for this fraction? A half. Right. So same we are going to use here. If minute hand is on 6, then we can use the word half. Now how many minutes are there? 6. Minute hand is on 6. 6 5s are 30 minutes past. Where is our hand? Which number it has crossed? 3. So instead of 30 minutes, we can use half. Then how to write? Half past 3. Instead of this 30 minutes, I have written half past. See here. Where is the minute hand? Minute hand is on 9. See, it is our figure. Minute hand is on 9, that means here. See, which part it shows? This figure shows a quarter. Sorry, this figure shows 3 quarters. 3 quarters. The fraction of 3 quarters. 1, 2, 3 quarters it shows. So, we can say in clock a quarter to. That means for a whole figure, this quarter is remain. So we can say quarter to. Quarter to means a quarter is remain to next number. Here minute hand is on 9. That means 9 5s are 45 minutes past which number? 1. 45 minutes past 1. That means after this 15 minutes there will be 2 o'clock. See, after this 15 minutes there will be 2 o'clock. So instead of this we can use quarter to. It is little difficult. Quarter to. Don't write same number here. Next number we have to take. Because after 1 quarter there will be 2 o'clock. So quarter to 2. That means quarter is remain to 2 o'clock. Okay. We will see the exercise. See students here. Quarter past 3. If minute hand is on 3, that means 15 minutes. Then 15 minutes past 4. Here minute word has given, so we can use quarter. 15 minutes means what we have to use? Quarter past, quarter to, or half. We have to use quarter past. So here we have to write quarter past 4. See, quarter past 5. Quarter past means 15 minutes past 5. Same number we have to write here. Okay. Now 45 minutes past 6. 45 minutes means what? Quarter to word we have to use. 45 minutes past 6 means quarter to 7. See, if quarter to word have come, then we have to take next number. Quarter to 10. Quarter to 10 to quarter to word have come, then one number we have to take before, that is 9. 45 minutes past 9. 30 minutes past 9. 30 minutes means half past. Half past 9. We will see next point. The calendar revision. Study the page of the calendar and answer the questions. How many days does August have? How many days August month have? Here 30 and here 31. So how many days? 31 days. You have to see the calendar and answer the questions. This year, on which day the week is Independence Day? See, 15 August is the Independence Day. On which day of the week? You have to write the day. Day which? Friday. On Friday. Independence Day, they ask, not date. So day is Friday. How many Mondays does this month have? Mondays, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 Mondays. Which dates fall on Thursday? Where is Thursday? Here. Which date? 7, 14, 21, 28. 7, 14, 21, 28. These dates fall on Thursday. In August, which days occur 5 times? Which days occur 5 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And other, these are only 4. So Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Here this answer I am going to write upside. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. This is the answer of 5th question. It is the answer of 5th question. How many days pass before the same day of the week is repeated? See, suppose I have considered Tuesday. Then how many days are passed to get again next Tuesday? How many days? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days. See, did you understand the meaning of this question? How many days pass before the same day of the week is repeated? How many days pass before the same days of the week is repeated? Suppose I have considered here Friday. Then how many days passed before? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days. Then same day is repeated. So in this way, students, we will stop here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. And so students, today's homework is you have to solve the examples from textbook page number 43. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 examples from page number 43 in your notebook, and solve this exercise from textbook page number 44 in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy and study well.